What's Joe doing?
Is that the pizza? But it's a ball.
It's not ready.
What do we do?
We have to roll the ball.
Now, can we cook the pizza?
No.
Aww.
Let's love sign. Cook. Cook. You sign. Cook. Good. Cook.
That pizza is not the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
We need vegetables and cheese.
Cheese! My next delivery. Wait here. Oh! Cheese.
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 That's not the right cheese.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Dee.
Put it in the middle. Here, you get your cheese. Do you like that? What's the cheese taste like? What happened to my pizza? Now we have to cook the pizza.
Todd, we need a box for the pizza.
Dad.
My last delivery. This is for Aisling. A box.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Did you get my pizza?
I have the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
Thank you, Joe.
Bye. Well, it's time to go. Thank you for all your help.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Hazel.
Hands up. Hello, hello. Here comes Joe.